Core system login in progress.
All right, first just jump over to our model scene and save it so we're in the right scene. When we get back from Blender, we're going to go, opened up Blender, opened up rather fast. I'm going to open up our dev file, and I'm going to rename this collection full. I'm going to go ahead and delete the A plane to make exporting easier. And then I am going to duplicate the full collection and call it lower half. This is really annoying because we got to rename all of this. Okay, so the bottom, we don't need the bottom. We do need the top, but we don't need. You can steal the bottom from the full. It'll be the same. And we'll call this, we'll rename this LH flat top. And that way we can LH. I'm just going to copy the first part of that so I can quickly rename everything. It's not horrible if you don't do the naming part, but it can get confusing in Unity if you're using the names with all the zeros and stuff on them. Okay. Let's do these now. Select all of our LH sides, put your mouse over the scene view and hit the tab key. Click on the viewport shading for transparent or wireframe, or go to X-ray mode. Select vector select and just do a selection box right there. Drag these down to 0.5. Okay, do a shift A, or excuse me, an A, just the A key to select everything, and come over here. Select in the UV, come over to the UV editing. In UV editing, select the first little button here, which has a small dot, and that is vector select. Hit the N key, and in the Y, put 0.5. And there we go. That's actually an easy one. Now, grab LH top, or flat top. We should have left edit mode when we came back over, so hit the tab key, hit A so you select all, and drag it down, holding down the control key so you click at each place, or simply set its Z to 0.5 and tab out. Alright, there is our lower half. Duplicate the collection on top of the hold on. Select lower half and duplicate collection. Rename it upper half. It's going to do the same thing all over again. This time, oh well, get rid of flat top. We'll have to bring in the bottom because on the upper half we need a different bottom, and on the lower half we need a different top. So, let's get this done. Select all of our upper halves. with the mouse cursor over the scene view, hit the tab key, hit A just to make sure that you have everything selected, and holding down the control key, drag it up to where its top is right there. Now this should say 0.75 truthfully, because we're talking, it's giving us the center of the item selected, so that should be 0.75. Tap or leave it in edit mode, go over to UV editing with the mouse over the UV scene, hit A key, select this, and once again it's at 0.25, and just set that to 0.75. And we've got that one done almost. We got to bring in the bottom. So go ahead and hide both of these. Go back to full. Select flat bottom. Show it if you hit it like me. Select flat bottom. Holding down the shift key. Hit the D key. And then hit the escape key. Drag the duplicated mesh part down to upper half. Now I'm going to hide the full again, go to upper half and show it, and I'm going to rename it UH flat bottom. Really appropriately, I guess it should be side 7, but now with UH flat bottom, I click off of it and I click back on it, so I know that Blender has selected the new part. It doesn't always do that. Hit the tab key, hit the A key to select all of it, or just type in 0.5. That puts it on the bottom. Hit the tab key again, and it's good. Show these because they got to be visible to do a selected export. Select everything. Make sure all of our full, lower half, and upper half are selected. Go to export, and we've got to refill this stuff out again because, of course, what the heck? You done changed my window. Okay, so models, where I have my stuff under my project, is over in the recent selection menu, but I need to change this to object groups, deselect objects, select selection only, leave apply modifiers on, select smooth groups, turn off write materials, and then select export object. Control S to save again and minimize Blender.